Hello, welcome back to Food is Medicine. Today, we're pouring into the golden goodness of olive oil. For centuries, it's been a staple in healthy diets, and for good reason. This isn't just a cooking oil, it's liquid gold for your health. Get ready to discover how adding olive oil to your daily routine can powerfully protect your heart, sharpen your mind, and even fight chronic inflammation. This truly is Food is Medicine. General health benefits. So, what makes olive oil so exceptional? Its incredible power comes primarily from two key components: monounsaturated fatty acids, specifically oleic acid, and a rich array of antioxidants, including polyphenols and vitamin E. These components work synergistically to support your overall well-being. The monounsaturated fats are fantastic for your body, helping to maintain healthy cell structures. Meanwhile, the antioxidants are like tiny shields, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This combined action helps reduce oxidative stress throughout your body. Beyond these, olive oil also contains small amounts of vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health. This unique profile makes olive oil a cornerstone of many long-lived populations' diets, contributing to everything from healthy skin to a robust metabolism. How much olive oil should you aim for to unlock these amazing benefits? For most healthy adults, incorporating about 2 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil per day is an excellent target. It's easy to make it a daily habit. Drizzle it over salads, use it for dipping whole grain bread, or add it to cooked vegetables. Remember, choosing extra virgin olive oil is key, as it retains the most nutrients and antioxidants due to its minimal processing. Let's look at how olive oil acts as powerful medicine, targeting some of the most common health concerns. 1. Heart disease and high cholesterol. Olive oil is a star for cardiovascular health. Its monounsaturated fats actively help lower harmful LDL bad cholesterol, while simultaneously maintaining or even increasing beneficial HDL good cholesterol. This significantly reduces your risk of heart disease and stroke. 2. Inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many diseases. Olive oil contains compounds like oleocanthal, which has powerful anti-inflammatory effects, similar to ibuprofen. Regular consumption can help cool down inflammation throughout your body, protecting you from chronic pain and disease. 3. Brain health and cognitive decline. The healthy fats and antioxidants in olive oil are vital for brain health. They support healthy blood flow to the brain and protect brain cells from oxidative damage, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline and supporting memory function. 4. Type 2 diabetes. Olive oil can play a role in managing and preventing type 2 diabetes. It helps improve insulin sensitivity and stabilize blood sugar levels. When consumed as part of a balanced meal, it can slow the absorption of glucose, preventing sharp spikes. 5. Cancer prevention. The rich antioxidant content of extra virgin olive oil helps protect cells from damage that can lead to cancer. Its anti-inflammatory properties also contribute to a reduced risk of certain cancer types by creating a less hospitable environment for cancer cell growth. 6. Weight management and obesity. While a fat, olive oil can surprisingly aid in weight management, its healthy fats contribute to a feeling of fullness and satisfaction, which can help reduce overall calorie intake throughout the day. Using it in place of unhealthy fats can support a balanced diet. The golden secret to better health might just be in your pantry. By making extra virgin olive oil a daily part of your diet, you're embracing the true power of food as medicine, investing in a healthier future for your heart, brain, and entire body. What's your favorite way to incorporate olive oil into your meals? Share your delicious ideas in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Food is Medicine for more evidence-based health insights. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.